Hey guys, this is a quick look unboxing review of the Nespresso Grand Latissima. Opens pretty easy. Comes with a sample pack, different types. Pretty cool. And here's the milk frother. What I really like about this is after every time it's used, it does a cleaning hot water rinse through all the tubing, because you never want to get sick from dairy that's sitting in a part. And then actually when you disassemble this whole thing, every part, and there's like 6 pieces, are all dishwasher friendly, which is great. This can detach from the unit, and then you store the milk in the fridge. Right, so this is the main unit. I was gonna say I thought it felt a little cheap here, but it's just a really lightweight metal, feels strong. This thing here, it goes on if you want to have a smaller cup here, so it doesn't have to, I guess, drip as far, so there's like more splashing and whatnot. But this is just kind of loose on here. It's just got these 4 things that don't really sit well. I mean, you can kind of tell they dip down there, but other than that, I mean, it's wobbly, right? Like, it doesn't click in. The other thing that doesn't click in is the bin removal tray. Like, you'd think like you would need here to like pop it out, but I guess it's just convenience. But if I or I just show you like it's so easy to, so I fear over time that this is going to come like misaligned, and then it won't look like a solid unit. Like, it'd be nice if this clicked in and this clicked in. I mean, for my case, I always have tall cups, not little espresso cups, because I'm going to use it for more of the, I guess, the lungo or Americano. But so looking like that, it's a pretty nice unit. You have the frother here, which should just plug into it. That clicks in nice, and then basically it'll, I'm not sure if you can do it when it's on, but yeah, and then it just goes in, and then you turn it off like here. Different settings on the top. Pretty much whatever, these are just like, the simple way of saying this is just the water levels, and then whatever you're trying to make. And I thought the water reservoir swiveled, but it is in the back, unchangeable. Pretty beautiful so far. All right, so no instructions read, no nothing. Basically plugged in, turned on. I'm gonna try a lungo in here. Drop it in. I assume so. I'm not a espresso connoisseur yet. I normally use K-cups, and I grind coffee from a local roaster and pack into a K-cup refillable thing. But I'm trying this, so any user, plug and play, open it, hook it up, should have it. All right, so in order to get about half this cup, which is just a cup from Dollarama, I've had to press lungo twice, and I'm hoping the coffee is still gonna taste like coffee. I'm trying to use this machine as a coffee machine, not only an espresso machine, right? I'm gonna try not using the milk frother first and see how this goes. If I added one more, like the line was getting pretty clear. I'm not sure if it was just water at that point, so we'll have to see. I'm trying to equate this to like a extra large from Tim Hortons, or a grande from Starbucks in terms of cup size for coffee. So I did get a bunch of crema on top. I'm not sure if that was because it's still a centrifuge process with the spinning, but so far looks great. So overall good. I added a bunch more milk to this. Tastes just like a really high-end cup of coffee I would get after dinner at a restaurant. So far pretty impressed with this guy. I'm gonna try some cappuccino and latte next with the frother. All right, so with the Grand Latissima, I'm also gonna try the recaps that are on Amazon. This is a 3-pack. They also make a single that come with the foil lids where they poke the holes into it. And it's got a thing to pack it down. there's a word for it, I just can't think of it right now. And I'll tell you how it compares to just the pods that are included in the sample. With I'm doing fresh ground coffee that is roasted 2 days ago. Okay, so I packed it down with the tamper. Now I'm just gonna throw on one of these foil lids. It's on pretty snug. So the fresh ground stuff tasted just the same, if not better. Not as much crema because it's not, an official pod, but still a lot. I'm just trying the frother now. So I just picked the flat white, which is just when froth milk gets added to coffee. It's different from a cappuccino because I guess a cappuccino is the froth milk is on top, where this is kind of a mix. Not sure how frothy that looks, but I don't know. Maybe third try is a charm. Actually worked good. So I hit the flat white again to give me a little bit more. And here, I'll just kind of blow away some of the crema so you can see the color. See there in the middle? So yeah, it's good, tastes delicious. It's with milk, obviously it cools it down, but with the froth milk, it's heated up, so the coffee's kind of, you add a generous portion of milk in it, but it's still hot, which is great. So pretty cool. After you've done the frother, it'll kind of blink, it needs cleaned, and it's easy. I don't have a cup, but you basically just put like a cup of, like a water cup underneath there, and when it does this after every time it makes a froth milk beverage. You turn it to this side, which is the stars, right? And then it just runs hot water kind of through it to kind of get rid of any maybe milk that would be built up over time. Then you remove this and put it in the fridge because it's, still got some milk in there. So it's done cleaning, spat out a bunch of water, didn't take any additional milk, obviously. Now I'm gonna set this to eject. Because I'm gonna basically put this part in second, and then this is kind of really nice because then it just looks clean, and put it in the fridge.